Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself R.Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about plane mirror. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about spherical mirror. So a mirror whose polished surface is a part of hollow mirror or hollow sphere of a glass or plastic is called spherical mirrors. In a spherical mirror, one of the two surface is polished with silver followed by red lead oxide. So in a spherical mirror, one surface is opaque while other surface is very high reflective surface. Now we will discuss type of spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror. One is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. To understand concave and convex mirror, first let us discuss an example. So take a steel spoon and see the inside of the spoon works as a concave mirror while the outer bulge surface acts as the convex mirror. So now we will discuss concave and convex mirror. First of all, concave mirror. If light is reflected from the inside of the sphere, that is called concave mirror. In this figure, you can see this outer side is polished, so light will be reflected from the inside of the surface. So this is called concave mirror. And concave mirror makes the real or virtual image which is based on the distance of the object from the mirror. And this APB, you can see this is the mirror and this mirror is the part of this whole sphere. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror because after reflection of light, the rays meet at the focus or converge at the focus. That's why they are called converging mirrors. After that, we will discuss convex mirror. When light is reflected from the outer surface of the sphere, it is called convex mirror. You can see here in this figure, the inside part is polished, so reflection will take place from this outer surface. And you can see here the APB mirror. APB is the part of a whole sphere. So this is convex mirror. In convex mirror, the image will be always upright and virtual. A convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror because after the reflection of light, the parallel rays of light seems to be coming from a point, means they diverge from a point. That's why the convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror. After that, we will discuss definitions related to spherical mirrors. There are many terms in the spherical mirrors that we will discuss one by one. First of all, pole. You can see here P. The midpoint of the spherical mirror is known as pole. This P is the midpoint of this mirror, so P is called pole. We denote it pole by P. After that, center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is formed is called the center of curvature. You can see here C. When we will extend this one, this will form a sphere, and this C is the center of that sphere, and this is the part of the sphere. So the center of sphere from which the mirror is formed, that is called the center of curvature. After that, the radius of curvature. The distance between the pole and the center of curvature is called the radius of curvature. You can see here, or we can say that the radius of sphere of which the spherical mirror is formed is called radius of curvature. You can see here, this radius is the radius of the whole sphere. So this is called radius of curvature. After that, we will discuss principal axis. What is principal axis? So the straight line, you can see here, this line, the straight line joining the pole and the center is called principal axis. This CP, you can say CP is the principal axis of the spherical mirror. After that, aperture. What is aperture? So the width of spherical mirror is called aperture. We can write it AB, and this AB is the aperture of the spherical mirror, because this is the width of the spherical mirror. And after that, we will discuss focus. Focus, the point where the ray of light meet after the reflection is called focus or main focus. After reflection of light, they meet at the F, this point, and this F is known as main focus or focus. And focal length. Focal length, the distance between the focus and the mirror, or the separating distance between the focus and the mirror is called focal length. We represent it with small f. So these are the definitions related to the spherical mirror. Now we will discuss sign conventions by spherical mirrors. How we represent signs in spherical mirror. So the distance in the direction of incident ray are represented as positive, and the opposite side it will be negative. You can see here the direction of incident ray is toward this side, so this side will be positive, this will be plus, and this side will be negative. So this way, and the distance or the position of anything from the upward from the principal axis is considered as positive. You can see this is principal axis, and upward side is considered as positive and downward side is considered as negative. So this way we consider the signs in the spherical mirror. In direction of incident ray, the distance will be considered as positive, and in the opposite direction of incident ray, the distance will be considered as negative. So this is the sign conventions by spherical mirror. So today we discussed mainly about spherical mirror and terms related to spherical mirror. That's all. Thank you.